everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on a trip of virtual wildlife safari. This rabbit is enchanting my videos. I love it. So many activities. I don't know what to choose. Virtual Safari Park, foundation led by Srimati Santikumari. This elephant teeth is so long, I can even hold it. This giraffe is tall, so as right? I love trees. I definitely will hug them. They give me air. I like this so rock. Our ticket is very small. Entry adult and child. Wow, even more. I can't believe it. Wow, this lake is crystal clear. Beautiful flower, looking like daisy, right? Some flamingos. Wow, I like it so much. What's going on here? I can't believe it, these birds. The dragon is sitting on me in the animation part. Ooh, I am so confused in this game actually. All the sticks are falling down and I can't catch one only. I catched only one, but remaining I didn't catch. I tried my best. But still, I have to practice even more. It's okay, it's just a game. Ooh, guess what I'm doing? Coloring time. I can't believe it. Coloring in zoo parks. I'm coloring a snake. Now watch in the animation. Ooh, this is the snake which I colored. The tree is blue and the snake is just like in my color. Let's see in the original one. The tree would be green and the snakes would be dotted. I like it so much. Let's see in the original. You can't believe it. How much difference. See? Another beautiful flower, jasmine. Ooh, there is a swan over there and says, welcome. I can't believe it. This bus is just right for me to go to the zoo. I like it so much. I watched a video. I kept VR means virtual safari glasses and a squirrel is in front of me and explaining everything. Like talking. And I love it so much. But still it's not an AC bus. It's an electric bus. A random car disturbing my video. Do I see a random car behind me? It's disturbing me. Ooh, look with my VR glasses. Look, I can see everywhere. There's a sofa behind me. Yay, finally it fitted me. So, wow, beautiful colors, earth colors. I came on running and said, wow, it's so amazing! Deer is especially nice for me. I had a perfect snack after the trip. I love it. That's the best pani puri snack ever. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!